Alright, so the next piece of the puzzle is something that I got my daughter for the back seat for entertainment. We've had this for a while now. This is what I had rigged up in the camper shell in the old one. And that's what mounted up to the stud for the roof mount, for the roof rack. So, just got this in. So this is the Ram Torque small rail base, and I'm going to attempt to do this on the headrest mount, and then make it to where I can take this out and this can stay in the camper full time, and then it attached to here. So give me a second and we'll try to get this put in. Alright, so the ones that you want to use for this specific setup, which is a 2014 Ford F250, I'm using the Inserts 47. It came with 40, I think there's a 37, there's a 55, and then the absolute smallest one, 32, sorry, not 37. So we're going to get that put in, and we'll give it a shot.